basket was one of my blocks that we've already done on, or we will be doing. And then I said I wanted to put some flowers on. Well, my flowers are got from How to Make Fabric Flowers by Treasurie. So if you put that on the YouTube browser, you'll find out how I made these, but there are other ways. To get the circles, I used bottom of one of my tops, which measures from there to there 2.5 inches. Then I also made the smaller ones by measuring from there to there. It's just some electrical tape, that's 2 inches. You can make them whatever size you wish, or you can choose to do other fabrics, other ways of doing. If you didn't want to make this block, then there's a free quilt block pattern called Basket, which is there at the top, and it's a lot simpler. You don't have to put any flowers or anything on it to finish where the arm goes. Now I'm not 100% on this because my fabric is bunched up slightly, but I don't practice. I just do one and that's it. So I could use this as my practice piece and make this again, knowing what to do and what not to do, and then hopefully the next one. And then I could do different ways of doing different fabric flowers, or I could use the same. They're the only burgundy buttons I have. Or alternatively, there's a Nancy's Notions basket. If you put that on YouTube or somewhere on the internet, it'll take you to this page to get that free quilt pattern block. There's what I used, and that's what I did for the flowers. Have fun.